Study the point. Collinear vectors. Collinear and vectors. Collinear means what? Collinear means same line. Collinear literally means what? Same line. Means something acting along the same line. Okay. So what do you mean by collinear vectors? It means two or more vectors act along same lines. Okay. Its definition is two or more vectors acting along same line. Okay, same line or parallel lines, they are called collinear vectors. The most important point is this same line. There can be many vectors, 4 vectors, 5 vectors, 6 vectors, 7 vectors, all are acting along the same line. Okay, that is, you can say this is vector A, this is vector B, this is vector C, this is vector D. What is this? All are acting along the same line, so all the vectors are collinear. Okay, they are acting in the same line. It can be, if it is vector E, is vector E also collinear with these vectors? Yes, if they are acting in this, if vector E is also acting in this line is included in this vector, although its direction is different, its direction is opposite, but it is lying in the same line. Okay, it doesn't matter whether the direction is reverse or what is the direction, it doesn't matter. It matters if the vectors are lying in the same line or not. Okay, they are called collinear vectors. Okay, what can be the angle? If there is a question asked, what is the angle between, what can be the angle between two collinear vectors? What can be the angle? If in between A and B, the angles is what? It's vector A is has direction this. Angle means what? Angle means direction. Okay, and vector B has direction this. Same. The angle theta will be 0 degree between them. If this D and this E, what is the angle between them? One is in this way, another is in this way. D in this way, E in this way. Sorry. E vector E in this way. The angle between them is what? 180 degree. So there are two possibilities of angles between them. One is 0 degree, another one is 180 degree. These two can be the angles between collinear vectors. Okay, thank you.